Hello everyone. Welcome to a quick 60-second image-to-image remix tutorial. Let's start with some examples where you can see the original image in the top left corner. And here's another. And finally some more examples. Notice the changes? This is very simple to do. From your downloaded Remix app, tap the Midjourney Create button and choose your preferred image. And don't forget to choose your image weight. Next, paste your already prepared prompt or create your own on the spot. And then, be prepared to cast your spell with the Magic Wand tool. Now you can create your own examples. And if you are going for a certain look, be sure to select your favorite style. It's that simple. Have fun remixing. And thank you for watching.